Welcome to the class, dear students. In this today's lecture, I'm going to do the finding out the solution of the non-homogeneous differential equation. And to find out the solution, we need to find out the particular integral, which is of form 3. Now, in this form 1 and 2, we have done in the previous lectures. Now, we are going to do the form 3, how to find out the particular integral. If f of d into y is polynomial in x, suppose, then the method is just I'll take a problem and make you to understand. If you have d square y by dx square plus 5 times of dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So this is what, it is not form 1, it is not form 2. Form 1 means exponential, form 2 is either sine or cosine, and form 3 is the polynomial. So now this is the polynomial in x. So therefore we follow form 3. So first of all we write down the operator form. The operator form is d square plus 5d plus 4y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now the auxiliary equation is m square plus 5m plus 4 is equal to 0. Now the roots are m is equal to it is minus m plus 1 into m plus 4. So it is minus 1 comma minus 4. Therefore the complementary function is belong to the c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 4x. This is what the complementary function. Now let us go to the find out the yp, that is particular integral is given by 1 over d square plus 5d plus 4 of 3 minus 2x. So in this method what we do is we always take the constant. What is the constant in this? So always take this constant as common in the function. So that is 1 over, we'll take 4 outside, and then d square plus 5d over 4 plus 1. Now of 3 minus 2x. Now here we write down this as, I'll take 1 by 4 outside and I write it as 1 plus d square plus 5d by 4 the whole power minus 1 of 3 minus 2x. Now here you should understand two things here. There are two rules to expand the function actually. 1 plus x power minus 1 is there suppose. Then we expand this as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. This is what the expansion of 1 plus x power minus 1. And now here and one more is, suppose if there is 1 minus x power minus 1, then all of them are plus 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. Now in this case we are considering the part is here 1 plus d square plus 5d by 4 is relating to this particular formula. So we are going to expand this accordingly, that is 1 plus d square plus 5d by 4 the whole power minus 1. In the place of x you have this one. So let us expand like this now. That is 1. In the place of x you have d square plus 5d by 4 plus d square plus 5d by 4 the whole square and so on. Now here to expand, always this is an infinite series, okay. Now to understand this, what we do is, what is the derivative of this function 3 minus 2x, we find out first. What is the derivative of 3 minus 2x, which is minus 2. What is d square of 3 minus 2x, becomes a 0. So what we do now is, just we write down all these function, this whole function in this expression. We plug this in this expression, okay. So let us call this 1 as 1. Now we are going to expand this whole thing now. Let us say this one. So I'm going to expand this one and write down this, okay. So the equation, the function, whatever we have got, the particular integral is this one now. So we got this one as the function now. Particular integral is this, yp is this. So what we write here, that is yp is this. This is what your equation 1. So according to that expansion, we were going to write this 1 plus d square plus 5d by 4 minus 1 means 1 minus d square plus 5d by 4. Now plus d square plus 5d by 4 the whole square. And so now you can stop here because the function is, it depends upon the function 3 minus 2x. Now let us operate this 3 minus 2x to every term, each and every term in the bracket. 1 into 3 minus 2x is 3 minus 2x minus d square of 3 minus 2x plus 5d of 3 minus 2x over 4. Now when you expand this, this becomes d power 4, d cube. All of them are zeros because we have identified that d of 3 minus 2x is minus 2. D square of d cube, all of them are zeros. So we stop the process here. So now that is 1 over 4 times of 3 minus 2x minus d square of 3 minus 2x is 0 plus 5 times of d of 3 minus 2x is minus 2 over 4. So that gives you 1 over 4 times of 3 minus 2x. Now minus of minus plus 10 over 4. So this gives you your expression 1 by 4 into 3 minus 2x plus 10 by 4 is your yp. Therefore, what is the general solution? You have to write the general solution as y is equal to whatever you got yc plus the yp, the complementary function plus the particular integral. I hope you could understand. Now I am going to do the next problem. Let's take the problem as the second one. Just take it as d square minus 3d plus 2 y is equal to 14x square. That's it. So now what we do? We write down the auxiliary equation and the roots. M square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So the roots are what now? M is equal to 1 comma 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. So m is equal to 2. Therefore yc is what? c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. That's it. So now what is yp? Is given by 1 over d square minus 3d plus 2 of 14 times of x square. So here itself you can write down what is d of x square first, which is 2x. What is d square of x square is 2. What is d cube of x square? That is 0. So here outwards it has all zeros. Now what we do? We write down this 14 outside of this and then 1 by what I told that this constant should be taken outside. So that is d square minus 3d by 2 plus 1 of x square. Right? So now 14 over 2, that means this 2 gets cancelled with the 7 times. So 7 times of, I can write this as 1 plus d square minus 3d by 2 the power minus 1 of x square. Now let us expand this. That is 7 times of, as I explained, told you that 1 plus x power minus 1 can be expanded it as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. So now we are going to expand this as 1 minus of d square minus 3d by 2 plus d square minus 3d by 2 the whole square. Up to that we can write of x square. Now what is this? This 7 times of 1 into x square is x square minus d square of x square minus 3d of x square over 2 plus d square minus 3d the whole square is what now? It is given by what? A minus b whole square formula we have to use here. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is d square minus 3d the whole square? That is given by d square the whole square. That is d power 4 minus 2 into d square into 3d 2ab plus b square means 9d square. Okay. So it is d power 4 minus 3 2s are 6 d cube plus 9d square. This is what the expansion, correct? So now we write this one as d power 4 of x square minus 6d cube of x square plus 9d square of x square over the 2 square means it is 4. I hope it's clear. So now it is what? 7 times of x square into what is d square of x square is 2. And 3 times of d of x square is 2x over 2 plus. Now this becomes this d power 4 of x square is 0. D cube of x square is also 0. So d square of x square only left over now. So that is d square of x square is what now? It is 2 over 4. Clear? And now that gives you 7 times of x square minus 2 gets cancelled with 2 minus 6x by 2 plus 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So you can write this as 7 times of x square minus of 1 minus 3x. 2 gets cancelled the times, correct? Plus 1 by 2. So you can rewrite this as 7 times of x square minus of minus plus 3x. Then minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. This is the particular integral. Write down the general solution as yc plus yp. That's it. This is form 3 of finding out the particular integral for the given non-homogeneous differential equation. I hope you could understand this.